Duale osingo gola yanga listi marute Thieth kod lakteche manochiwo thieth kod bero bandia kagitiyo kod okumba mar thieth mar SHA. Duale mane lose kinde mane ogiketo winjruok mar chiwo thieth ne jotuo mag nyarogno kod adundo e kar thieth mag Akan oyango ni listi oseiki kendo poni oketgi ayanga to ute thieth go ibiro lor kendo jochiw thieth go bende nyaka koro bi yud kum mowinjore.
Partnership with the SHA. Now more Kenyans who are very vulnerable can access this safe, ethical, secure transplant. We're doing Kenya shilling 700,000 for the whole. And for the cardiac, we're doing 1,100,000. Never again will Kenyans be treated by quacks. Never again will Kenyans go to a facility that does not look like a health facility. And that's why today I'm very, very happy to have come to Akan University, one of our premier institutions in our country, with all that is required. That's what our referral facilities to do what is right. And our business is to make sure that we provide accessible, affordable, quality healthcare to our citizens.
Governors kokale riwruogi ywak ni piny owacho